Hi, I'm Byron.
And I'm Sharnice, and we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors. We are so happy to present mobile home investing in all 49 states.
Yes, each week we'll be dropping a new video discussing an individual state and how lucrative mobile home investing is in each state.
Are you ready to learn about mobile home investing across the United States? Stay tuned. So this week we are coming to you guys with the state of Connecticut.
Yes, Connecticut, home to one of my favorite college basketball teams growing up, UConn, and the ladies basketball team. Shout out all the wonderful people in Connecticut.
Yes, so when it comes to mobile home investing in the state of Connecticut, you guys have great opportunity with over 142 mobile home parks in the state.
Yes. So here's the thing, when you talk about affordability, right? The average apartment rent you guys have is right at $1,296. So your median home is right over $206,000. So it's definitely a need for affordable housing, and mobile homes is that for you guys in your state.
Yes, so to find out more information just about manufactured housing in general, you want to look up the Connecticut Manufactured Housing Association. They're going to give you all of the information you need to know as far as mobile homes in the state.
Yeah, so Connecticut is a little bit different when it comes to fees associated with your mobile home parks. The awesome thing about it is your title transfer is only $25. But in the state of Connecticut, you do have to register your mobile home, which is $120, okay? And there are also several fees that go along with it that you want to definitely check out your local DMV just to make sure your mobile home fits between that criteria.
Yes, now when it comes to the state of Connecticut and that dealer's license, in the state of Connecticut, it's actually a zero state, okay? So if you've been watching our previous videos, you know that means that you cannot buy or sell any mobile homes without that dealer's license in Connecticut.
Yes, but the beautiful thing about it, your dealer's license, which in your state is called the mobile home seller's license, is only $375. So you can also apply for that on your local DMV website.
Yes, so let's talk about where the hotspots are, right? So where are these mobile home communities in the state of Connecticut? So we have Branford with 3 mobile home parks, Bristol with 3, we have Danbury at 4, Clinton at 4, and East Windsor with 5 mobile home communities.
Yes, Groton has 9 mobile home communities. Meridian has 8 mobile home communities. Norwich 5. You guys have Uncasville at 7 and Wallingford at 5 communities.
Yes, so now you know where to go. You know how much your fees are. There's no excuses to my people in Connecticut. It's time to get busy. So we hope you enjoyed this video on why mobile home investing is so lucrative in your individual state.
Yes. So if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos on mobile home investing, hit that subscribe button. And if you need more information, hit that description. Links are there below. Listen, we're so excited for you to get started on your journey. And we always want to tell you guys, you are a mobile home investor.
So I'm Sharnice.
And I'm Byron.
And we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors.